Ever looked out on your beautifully manicured lawn or your meticulously curated garden, only to spot those unsightly little hills of dirt ruining the view? Those are telltale signs of a mole invasion. It can be a frustrating sight for any gardening enthusiast. If this rings true for you, rest easy because we have just the right information to help you combat this issue. Welcome to our comprehensive guide titled, Learn to Get Rid of Moles from Your Garden. Moles, these little burrowers, are on a constant hunt for food, which resides under the surface of your garden. In their relentless search, they end up causing quite a disarray. As they tunnel through the soil, they push up the earth, creating what we call molehills. Unfortunately, while they're busy living their lives, they can unintentionally wreak havoc on yours. They can destroy your plants from below and make a tidy garden look rather messy. It's not personal, they're just following their natural instincts, but that doesn't mean you can't dissuade them from choosing your garden as their hunting ground. So let's dive into the various methods available to rid your garden of moles. 1. Diagnosing the mole problem. An important initial step to effective mole control is to confirm that it is indeed moles causing the damage. Though moles aren't the only burrowers out there, others such as voles or gophers might also be at play, and each requires a unique approach to control. To recognize a mole problem, look for their distinctive sign, raised mounds of dirt laid out in seemingly random patterns across your garden. Unlike other burrowers, moles are less likely to damage plant stems or foliage visibly, focusing instead on digging tunnels in search of worms and grubs. Confirming that you're dealing with moles will guide your choice of eradication methods. 2. Natural mole deterrents. In dealing with moles, there are ways to gently discourage these creatures from turning your garden into their playground. Planting specific flora like marigolds or daffodils can deter moles. These plants are not to the moles' liking and can make your garden less attractive to them. Additionally, you can create physical barriers or introduce natural predators into your environment. Cats, for instance, are known mole hunters. These natural deterrents can be quite effective, allowing you to dissuade moles without causing them harm. 3. Mole trapping techniques. When natural deterrents are not sufficient, trapping can be the next course of action. Various types of mole traps are available in the market, each with its own mechanism and level of effectiveness. 4. When to call in the professionals. In some instances, you may find the mole situation is too extensive or stubborn for a do-it-yourself solution. It is in these situations where seeking professional help might be the most effective course of action. We'll take you through when it's advisable to engage a professional mole removal service, what to expect during such interventions, and the factors to consider when selecting a reputable mole removal company. As we draw near the conclusion of this guide, we'd love to hear from you. How have you dealt with moles in your garden in the past? Have you employed any of the methods we discussed? Or perhaps you have some unique mole control tips you'd like to share with our gardening community? Please leave your responses in the comment section below. Your insights could be beneficial to someone facing a mole dilemma. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of why moles could choose your garden as their home and the various ways to send them packing. With the knowledge gained today, you are well on your path to restoring the beauty and health of your garden. Remember, a mole-free garden is within reach, and we hope these insights help you achieve that. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!